From horror movies to a cat meowing, let the games begin. Meet Lala, a 10-year-old African grey parrot, entertaining crowds at a South Korean zoo.
I've seen it on TV before, and in person it even makes electronic sounds. It's amazing.
The best was when he made sounds from horror movies, a woman's scream. The bird entertains me a lot, and I'll never get bored with him.
Lala's trainer, T.G.I.F, says she discovered the bird's talent 2 years ago.
I used to play with Lala while whistling. One day when I took him out of his cage to play with him, he whistled. So I realized he has a great sense of sound.
And because African greys live to be around 40 years old, visitors to the zoo can expect Lala's repertoire to keep on growing. Tara Cleary, Reuters.